everybody, it's Margo here at My Favorite Quilt Store. I wanted to show you this great quilt kit. It's called Potluck Stars. It's by Lori Holt for Riley Blake Designs, and it is from her cookbook collection that this is the quilt from. And here it is on the back where you can see where it's all kinds of stars. And it is so much fun to make, and the kit includes everything you need in this beautiful box to make this kit. Number one, we've got the pattern, and it's a colored pattern that shows you exactly how to make the kit, how to make the quilt. So it's a colored pattern, and then inside it's got the triangle you need to make the stars on the quilt. It comes with all the beautiful fabrics. Here's the pinks and browns that you need. And then it comes with the background is the white, and then the red is the outer border. And it comes with a layer cake so that most of the cutting is done. So all you gotta do is cut your stars out of this, and it's a cookbook layer cake inside this. So you have the layer cake and then the background fabric border and some extra pieces you're gonna need for the binding and the inner borders. So they've given you a little extra. And what's great is it includes the triangle ruler you need. And this triangle ruler comes in two sizes, the small size you need and the large size you need. So both of them included in here to make the stars in the center of the quilt, these on the red, and then these are smaller stars out here in the border. So it has two different sizes of rulers that you need to cut those. So I hope you enjoy this quilt kit. It would be a lot of fun to make. Thanks for joining us. Have a great day and happy quilting.